Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a great moment of sharing information about cryptocurrency and other related information about digital currency. So, as usual, it's me, the content, and I would like to share as with us the things that is happening in the crypto world in this industry. Because I believe once you have made a great and good decision, I believe that things may go well. So, I just want as okay. First of all, we are waiting for announcement. Let me just talk about this announcement that we are waiting. The latest announcement was saying how is Gen I related to Pi Network? Why did one of the two Pi founder Nicholas Kalikis participated in Gen I panel at Consensus 2025? So we will get the answer on 28th of on 28th of on 28th of June 2025. That means we are remaining with we are remaining with we are remaining with 2 days. So unfortunately, I have seen a lot of things that were changing in the market this industry because many people feared that Pi Network, as you see the latest price Pi Network went down all along down to the extent it has reached to this price which is zero, I think, which is 0 point let me see. Pi Network has gone down almost up to, and it was last week it has gone to 0.4698. So unfortunately, this is the profit that someone who has bought Pi Network has already made. Because if you have decided and buy Pi Network, so I think I can say that you have made this much money. Because now, as you see, you can see a big change that is happening. So Pi Network, as I have said, is a great deal that we cannot think, because you see the price is dropping, but also because we are waiting for this announcement on 28th, and that will be Pi today. So we believe that the price of Pi Network is going to come up. So as it comes up, if you have decided to buy at 0.4, look at how much profit are you going to get. So my suggestion is that we still have time to buy before 28th, because this 28th it can even come up to 1.5, and that is normally normal when it goes to Pi Day or other Pi event. We normally get more people buying and the price of Pi Network comes up. I don't know what you're thinking, but Pi Network is still growing its own ecosystem, and the development is good and the updates are good, and its core team is trying hard so that the ecosystem can work and make and higher the value of Pi Network. There's a lot of speculation talking about how Pi Network has failed, but according to my experience, since Pi Network was launched I mean in February 20th February. Now it's almost 4 months. There are other coins. Look at, I can give you examples of other coins that have launched the same time with Pi Network, and they have even launched to $1. But as we are talking now, they are below a cent, which means that Pi Network, at least, it has gained its momentum and its volume, and people are still holding trust on it as the migrations continues to go on. So guys, I just wanted to highlight some of the important things and things that Pi Network is trying to build itself. That's ecosystem where every pioneer would be able to buy or to order something from the ecosystem. Ecosystem, when we talk about ecosystem, some people don't understand the real meaning of ecosystem, but the real meaning of ecosystem means a place where pioneers would have an access to buy or to purchase some goods and services all along whenever any stock that have updated its application in the ecosystem and is verified by the core team. Pioneers would be able at any time to purchase things from the ecosystem and purchase it using Pi Network. So Pi Network is having a lot of updates, but also the speculations are not also easy. But also, as we are used that Pi Network on P today, its price must come up, and we have started seeing the sign because if someone bought for $1,000 from here and has sold it at here at 0.6, this person has made almost 3,000, which means if he has invested 1,000 here, he has already made 3,000 around here. So that's what I'm saying. Pi network is a bit strong, so what we need is just to hold this coin and wait for what is coming in the way. So guys, that's why I'm trying to share it with you so that you can understand what I am talking about. But I believe that Pi network is getting momentum and we are pushing forward. So far, before 28th, my advice is that we buy more pies and we sell it on 28th in the afternoon because I believe on 28th the price can just go above, reach to $1 or so that we sell it from there. That's my advice, and that's what I'm advising you guys so that you can make money and profit from there. So let's analyze also Bitcoin. Why do we normal sometimes talk about Bitcoin? Talk about Bitcoin because we know Bitcoin is a major currency and it is like reading the market, financial market in cryptocurrency. So whenever you're trading and you're not considering Bitcoin, I don't think you're on the right path because normally every time Pi network goes with Bitcoin. Once the price of Bitcoin drops, it is likely that other prices are going to drop down. Not necessarily, but most of the time it happens. So that's why by the time Pi network went to 0.4, then Bitcoin was all below 100. So if Bitcoin was below 100, that means that this financial market moves together because I believe when it moves together it can bring some money. So if you're a good trader you can make some money there. So guys, let's move forward and see what's going on Bitcoin as we are waiting for Pi network to boost before 28. All right, I didn't really expect this, a collapse that happened recently, and I didn't really think that it was going to happen, but it happened, and I was surprised due to how Bitcoin managed, eh? Due to how went down. Bitcoin went down, by the way. Bitcoin went down. It gave me a surprise. Let me call it a surprise attack because I didn't think that Bitcoin is going to manage. But unfortunately, Bitcoin has made it. Hmm? Bitcoin has made it, and as you see, Bitcoin has gone to uptrend, and up to now is trading almost 107. And if you look at it, you can see that the coin is still in uptrend, and I think the resistance, if it goes higher, I think the price it will reach to this price. Let me look at it. Yeah, I don't think that Bitcoin will go above this 108 something. I don't think, but we look the higher is going to be this one. So if Bitcoin manages to go to 114, 110 above, that means that we will be in a clear uptrend. But if it has not gone beyond this, we are going to stay focusing and looking for another opportunity. And I'm looking for a great opportunity of selling Bitcoin. But according to me, I can say that Bitcoin is in selling opportunity, and I see that Bitcoin is going to come down. According to, even if I see it is an uptrend, but I'm seeing some of the indicators, though it has started trading a choppy market, but I see some indicator that shows me that Bitcoin is going to come down. But so far, you can't confirm that Bitcoin is coming down. Why? Because it has not made a clear retracement. It has not made a clear retracement, because the only retracement it has made is just that one. So to confirm if Bitcoin is going to come down, you need to let it at least close. You need to let it close here to 106, because if Bitcoin closes to 106, that's when you can expect and say that Bitcoin is coming down. But if it doesn't make this clear retracement and go below to an indicator, let me put 200, moving average, yeah, moving, okay. If it doesn't goes below to 200, okay, so that means, let me just put moving average. This not this 9. I think, let me just put length. I put 200. So this 200 is the one that can tell us that we have gone in a downtrend. So if it drops down up to 104, so that one we can expect that is going in that it is going in a downtrend. That's why I've just, so at least here, if it comes all along and reach here and break it, so if it comes here, so we can expect that we are going to drop down up to 90 something. But once it has not broken this 200 indicator, that means it's still having a resistance in the uptrend, and we cannot engage in a selling opportunity, because most of the time when the coin is going up, what we need to know that we keep looking for buying opportunity until we confirm a selling opportunity. So guys, thank you very much for listening to me, and this is my prediction. And I would like to repeat that these are not financial professional financial advice. Always run to do your own research and depend on it so that you can make some profit. So these are just for updating and news. Thank you very much. See you in the next.